Alright, today is St. Patrick's Day, and I had a chance to pick up some new gear. The first of which is, or was, a couple of these Ruger BX magazines. They're the 15 round. Nice and handy. And the one thing about the information, it shows you how to disassemble. It's one screw, you clean it out and put it back together. That's really nice. I like these because they're a little bit easier to handle than these 25 round. This is that is an Eagle International brand. I like this because it's see-through, but they're a little bit easier to, the 15 rounders I like because they're easier to carry around. So that's one thing. And the second thing to go with the magazines is a Ruger 1022 Lula loader and unloader by Maglula. And these are made, they're made in Israel. So that's cool. This is the mag loader. Like every Maglula, you just set it on top of the magazine and you load them in there. Just like that. Push them in, load them. It's really a nice system and they work really good. And along with the loader, I got the unloader. This is the other part. And to use this, you put that, see that hole? You put it over that pin on the rear of the magazine, like that. And all you have to do is push them out. It just pushes the rounds out. And it works really good. And the other thing that I got to replace these really old, kind of beat up Impact Sports electronic hearing protection. These are probably 10 years old. They still work, but I thought I'd upgrade. So I upgraded to the Walker's Razor Slim Electronic Muffs. And it reduces, it's about a 95 decibel coming into the ear to a 23 decibel, which is really nice. And these are made in Texas. Very cool. Here are the new ones. Walker's Razor. Nice, good wheel to change the loudness, and it's battery operated. It takes 2 AAAs, and there's a cover for this thing somewhere right here. Just fits right on top, just like that. Those are the Walker's Razor electronic earmuffs. Excellent. It also has the, of course, the owner's manual. But today's video is about a new Zippo, and this is the, let's see what it says on here. It's been relabeled, and it's high polished chrome, and it's the 4-leaf Clover. I have one of these already, but I always like having a duplicate of a really good one. First time I saw one of these was in, let's see, it was in Indiana Jones, The Last Crusade. It's a double-sided. This one was made in, looks like I of 17. So that one's 7 years old, and that's just a Leprechaun Zippo. And that was made in D of 19, made in Bradford, PA. Here's the new one. This is the new 4-leaf Clover. It's the same as that one over there. Two-sided. And the date this was made in, looks like J of 23. That's somewhere around July. June or July or August, I'm not sure. It's a nice one, got good stampings. It's a good sounding Zippo. It lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this lucky Clover Zippo. So luckily it stayed lit. Made in Bradford, PA. And if you were here today, I would offer you a St. Patty's Day cookie. And I would also offer you some cowbell. And maybe even a knuckle bump.